Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing a tree, an orange tree. Let's draw the trunk and the branches. And part of the roots. And then the leaves. Then drop the fruits. Let's make it pretty with the pattern of the trunk of the tree. Let's draw some flowers for decoration. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's draw a line for the soil or the land, just like this. Then some grass. It's done. Now we're ready to color. Let's color. Let's add the sun. It's really nice. Thanks for watching. See you next time.